Is your Weyyak app not working currently? Well, there are some things that might be affecting the application. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your cellular data or Wi-Fi to connect to a network that is actually working. And if your Wi-Fi is still working, however, the application is not responding, you might want to go to your Weyyak application, tap and hold on to the app and click on App Info. After that, you want to tap on Storage and Cache, and here you'll see two options called Clear Storage and Clear Cache. First, you want to tap on Clear Cache, and after that you want to click on Clear Storage. Simply tap on Delete. By doing so, the application's all data and informations will be deleted, and the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any issues. However, if this doesn't solve your problem, you might want to uninstall the app and install it again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.